Artificial intelligence requires a massive amount of computing power, and all those relentless calculations generate severe equipment-melting heat. It seems like there's an obvious fix. Why not just take those server racks and drop them in the coldest place on Earth to take advantage of the freezing air? The sub-zero temperatures would certainly keep the hardware chilled, lowering the cooling load. But keeping a server cold is only half the equation. You still need an enormous amount of raw electricity just to run the processors. In reality, every functioning data center relies on 4 non-negotiable pillars to survive: cheap power, ultra-fast internet links, accessible maintenance, and legal permission. And despite having the perfect climate, the Antarctic continent entirely lacks all 4 of these essential lifelines. Let's start with power. Look closely at this sprawling research outpost. You won't see connections to a normal commercial power grid because there isn't one. Instead, almost every facility operating down here survives entirely on diesel fuel shipped in from the outside world. Agencies like the Australian Antarctic Program point out that transporting thousands of gallons of heavy fuel across volatile oceans and navigating through dense sea ice is incredibly expensive and highly dangerous. You can't easily bypass this by building a localized nuclear plant, and standard renewable infrastructure fails here too.